Hello and welcome! This is My Boat and My Life, the boating channel. If you are not familiar with this channel, I am a Swedish cruiser that's cruising around on the Swedish east coast. In this channel you can learn how to handle your boat, and you get a lot of tips on nice places to stay on, like this one we're going to visit today. Right now we are on our way to Stora Nassa. The plan is to stay up here in this shallow area. The wind is coming from the north today, but tomorrow we're gonna have a wind shift. So today we're gonna stay down here at Sprängskäret. In Stora Nassa's archipelago you got lots of places to stay on. But when the wind is coming from north or south, there are a lot less places to stay on. But I recommend to check the weather carefully before you go out here. Just preparing the dinghy on shorter line and take the safety line off the anchor. The water is so clear, so it's no problem to see the anchor lines and shallow spots right now. We're going to moor on one of the cliffs on our right side, and above of my head there is a big flat area that is perfect to hang out on. Eller vill det stå i det branta där? Ändra den, det ser nästan ut som tvärt, men det går nog att stå där. Eller så står vi här precis. Between the two higher cliffs there, it seems to be easy to walk up to a higher plateau. Let's see where we can put the anchor. It's a shallow spot there, but right beside it I think we can go. This roof I built over the aft deck is perfect to stand on when you're backing up like this. You get the perfect view back there, so you can avoid hitting shallow spot or other things back there. When it's no wind like this is an easy spot to moor on. There is not a lot of trees down here, so I think I will need spikes. Linda will hold the boat in this position when I secure one of the lines. Then I secure the other line. It's a new wonderful day, and today we're going up to Bondskäret, I think the name is. As you can see there, I often use two lines when I am using spikes. If I lose one of them, I get another as a spare. I try to get Linda to work without instructions. That way I can concentrate on what I have to do and she can do her thing.
I wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the way we used to be. Too far from Saturn, lost in the patterns. Where's the stars align so we could be free?
I can see that she forgotten to loosen up the lines before she left the boat. So let's help her with that. En bra bit. Nästan lika mycket på andra sidan. Då kan vi släppa det. I have turned the line 540 degrees around the tree before doing the knot. And that will prevent the rope to climb up higher up on the tree if the tree is on an angle. And like I said before, I really like to stand on the roof when I'm backing up against these shallow spots. And there is another shallow spot here on our starboard side. I think we could go over it, but it feels better to go around it. Over there on our port side you got a few spots you can anchor at. But we are going in this shallow part here. You have to bottom navigate between two shallow spots, and it's shallow against the shore too, so it's not the best spot. So you need a boat that's not too deep in the bow. Maybe we're gonna have some wind from the valley on the port side. I think we move further in. As usual, we did go on an adventure around the islands with Insane, my dinghy. And we wanted to try to pass through here and see if we could arrive at the other side. It did get shallower and shallower. In the end, Linda needed to stand in the bow to get the stern as high as possible. Later on we hit the dead end and turned around. Because we have passed through, the water was not clear anymore, so we did hit the bottom at one point. At the time, we didn't notice any problem with the Insane. There is where we try to get out, but now I have to let go of the phone and concentrate on driving. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.